Hi guys, Jared with Amazing Morphs here, just doing a ball python unboxing for you that we got from Always Evolving Pythons from Mike and Tina and his two kids. So here we go, we're real excited.
Hayden, are you excited?
It's got a little cool pack in there since it's been so hot here.
You're not nervous?
No, I'm not nervous. Here, alright guys, he's a male pewter Lester, so real excited about this guy. Get this rubber band off here.
Daddy took off the rubber band.
So yeah guys, just so you know, I've been watching Always Evolving Pythons for like the last 3-4 months. Great YouTube channel, need to go check them out. They've got a lot of good stuff that they've just gotten, and their collection is just growing. So I was lucky to snag this guy. Oh, there he is, babe. Come over here and get a good picture of him. He's coming up. Babe, come over this way. You see him?
Oh, wow, yeah.
God.
Oh.
Mommy?
Hayden, look what Daddy has.
Yes.
And here he is.
What's that, Hayden?
See his eyes behind him? Almost blue. You pet him? Easy. Easy hands. Good boy. Is that cool? So yeah, so he was hatched in November of last year, so.
Cool colors.
He's about 7 months old now. He's what Mike telling me, a 3-gene snake. He feels a little cool, but yeah, he was in the box here at the house for just a little bit. So what I want to do now is go ahead and get his weight. So we'll bring him on over here, and then the other thing I'm going to do is go ahead. I've already used my Prevenamite on my tub, but I'm going to go ahead. Gavin from Balls to You, another good YouTube channel to check out, has shown us that we can take olive oil and just kind of wipe him down, just to make sure there's no mites at all. Not that Mike and his collection have any, but just kind of a preventative measure, maybe possibly during shipping or anything of that nature. But yeah, he's a real good looking snake. So we'll come over here and get his weight real quick, y'all. Alright guys, here we're going to go ahead and weigh him, see what he weighs, how many grams. But yeah, he's already exploring everything real good. Real good looking little guy here. So. There. Oh, that's staying there. Yep, stay in here. And we've got 382 grams. 382.
Oh, snake.
It's a snake. That's right, it goes.
So, yeah, 382 grams. Let me go ahead and make sure I jot that down real quick. Alright guys, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and take some paper towel. And we've got the olive oil right here. So we're going to go ahead and open that on up. And we're just going to pour some here on the paper towel. And then we're going to let little guy, if I can get him real quick. Let him go through this paper towel. Come on, little one. going to do is let him crawl through. And what we're doing, we're soaking his body with the olive oil. So if there were any mites on his body right now, that would actually, they would take most of them right off. Olive oil is totally okay. It's harmless to the snake. It's not going to hurt him at all. Okay, keep crawling, bud. Keep crawling. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Get him to keep crawling through. Come on.
Are you tired, buddy?
Getting you sleepy already, bud? Come on, keep crawling, buddy. Okay, keep crawling. Come this way. He was doing real good, and now he's wanting to stop a little bit. So hopefully, we get him to. Anyways, you guys get the picture. I'm going to finish this up and we'll be good to go. Again, check out Always Evolving Pythons, their YouTube channel. Subscribe to them. And again, this was Jared from Amazing Morphs. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe if you like the video. Check out Balls to You. Going Youper is another one that I watch quite often. Real knowledgeable. So just a few of those that I watch quite often, guys. We'll see you soon. Thanks again.